This is a used 2007 Buick Lucerne, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.8-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include leather seats, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.